Your biggest score, take away your smallest score. In the first set, what's the biggest score? What's the smallest score? 42, take away 23? 19. In question 2, 92, take away. So, basically, do you remember what range means? When you come to your Christmas test, what's the range of this? Yeah, that's it. Biggest minus smallest, okay? Now, here we go. We might do this question now, okay? Guys, first things first. The people who added up Emer, you add up all the scores and you divide by 8. Okay, what mean did you get for Emer? 82. Okay, Emer has a mean of 82. What's the range? The range is the top score, take away the bottom score, which you all agree is 92, take away 72, which is 20. Okay. Yes. No, that's the median. Mean is just the average. Okay, Anna. What was the average for Anna, guys? 83. Okay. And what is Anna's range? What? 12. Now, I think it's safe to say that Anna is the superior player for 2 reasons. First reason is she has a higher average. Actually, wait. I'm wrong. That makes her lowers better, isn't it? So, here's the deal. Emer is technically the better player with the average 82, but the problem with Emer is her range. She can do really good or really bad. Well, Anna having a smaller range means she's more. So if you want a more consistent player, take Anna. What's the lowest score any of them got? Emer got a 72, while Anna's lowest was... Maybe if you're desperate to beat somebody and you needed to take a gamble on somebody, Anna on her day could get a 72, while Emer has never got below 70. So there's a discussion to be had there, isn't there? But if you're asked, you would probably say Anna is more consistent and more likely to deliver a certain standard, while Emer can either do really good or really bad. That makes sense? Okay. Now, that's question 4 done. Now, okay. Miss Moore gave her class a maths test. She gave the marks for the girls. The marks for the girls are in this purple box. Arrange those marks in order of size. Start with the smallest and arrange it up to the biggest. Okay, that's all you have to do to start off. Put this together. What's the smallest one? 2. What's the next smallest one? How many 3s are there? 2. What's after 3? How many 4s are there? 2. How many 5s? 2. How many 6s? How many 7s? 4. 7's definitely the most common, but you're not asked for the most common. Okay, and what's after that then? 8. And 10. Just making sure there's definitely 4 7s and not 5 7s. Okay, grand. Is everybody happy with that? Yeah. Now, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Who's in the middle of 15? 15 divided by 2? The 8 persons in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 6 is the median. What's the range? Your top minus your bottom? 8. The median mark was 7 and the range of marks for the boys was 4. By comparing the results, explain whether the boys or girls did better. Okay, let's find out. Median is 6 and we said the range was 8. But what about the boys? Median was 7 and the range was 4. Okay, I think that means the boys were more consistent, because I think the boys did better for 2 reasons. on average did better. Had a higher median and a lower range. A lower range means all the results were closer together, didn't it? Okay, is that okay with you guys? Okay. Do this is there are 5 children in a family. Let's put them all in boxes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The youngest is 8. So what can I say here? Another child is 15, but we don't know where the 15 goes. Median is. So where should I put the 13? Great. The range is 17. 8 plus 17? 25. 15 has to go here. Why? Why does 15 have to go here, guys? Because it has to be in line, yeah. And that gives me one number remaining. Now, what does it say about the mean? It's like everybody's age is 14. So if we add up all the 14s, what would we get? Or we multiply 14 by 5. This all has to add up to 70. So get the number 70 and take away all the other numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 70, take away 9. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to try and get the mean. So add them all up together. And what happens when you add them all up together? What you get? 900 and then you're going to divide that by how many apples? 9. And we got 105. Okay. Remember, your mean should always be somewhere between your lowest and your highest. Somewhere in there. Okay. Find the range. Top apple, take away bottom apple. What's it? 115 take away? Yeah, 115 take away 96 and 19. These are easy marks in a test if you remember what the words mean. Now, another box contains 6 South African apples. Their mean was 107 grams and their range was 19. Make 2 comments about the weights of the apples in the 2 boxes. Okay. I think the South African apples were. Okay, and what can I say about the range? Both ranges were there. So I'm just adding a bit. So this is where I would differ from you guys. I would say so the weight difference between the heaviest and see the way I sort of elaborate on it. Did I? There you go.